piercing, Alex.
Do we want
Pretty
some?
awesome.
And his black side
and
hair.
my black hair.
Black hair, yep.
We have
Look at
that
his
caramel
little
sauce
dome.
can be heated, of course, but I don't think we want to bother.
Oh, where'd it go?
It's
I was
gone!
gonna say, you wouldn't have mentioned it if you didn't want to deal with
Well,
it.
no,
And then there's another face you'll probably know.
Don't bother me, I'm eating.
I thought about
Your
it.
food! Ha! And it's delicious.
These two have been pretty good buddies lately. Tell him what you did last night.
We went to the Howl at Utah State. It was a massive Halloween party. Probably about 6,000 people.
And what did you bring home?
Huh?
And what did you bring home with you? Phone numbers.
Phone numbers.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Daddy.
Yep. New
Yeah.
dating prospects.
Chomp
Don't do
chomp.
this is good.
And there's Mom and Dad. We're doing family dinner for
You
Sunday.
have to do. Hi!
We have apple
Apple
crisp
crisp.
and ice cream.
The homegrown apples.
Yeah. Jake stole it.
What a butt.
See, I have to put up with around
I
here.
said, fine, I'll get my own, and I saw my dad.
All right, Daddy, tell Alex what you're doing tomorrow.
I'm flying over Oklahoma, bud. Wave when you see an airplane go by.
Daddy's gonna be gone for a while.
How long are you leaving for?
Pardon me. And over here, look who we have here. We have Grumpy 1 and Grumpy 2.
She's recording to say hi to Alex. Say hi, Alex.
Hi, Alex.
And here's Grandma.
You gonna say hi to Alex?
Hi,
Alex.